What's up, guys? I know. We're in the shed again today, tinkering. We're not doing no riding. It's coming soon, hang around. But today, we're gonna give the old girl a little love. She's looking pretty faded. So, these rock sliders, we're gonna give them a little sanding down, grinding down, whatever you wanna call it. A little bit of paint. And the plastics, we got ourselves some SC1, baby. Haven't give the old girl much love since the SC1 versus videos. Gonna learn today. You probably noticed the hat. Yeah, that's right. Today's video sponsored by LiTime, LiTime.com. Check them out. We got ourselves a 12.8 volt 100 amp hour lithium battery. The thing weighs about 22 pounds. It's light compared to a standard lead acid battery. We got ourselves a 1000 watt inverter. And we're going to be doing some UTV camping. Give ourselves a little off-grid power. Thank you, LiTime. But today, we're going to use it while we're out here in the shed tinkering. We're going to use it to power up this little air compressor, which we got running to our Vivor air jack. We're going to lift up the side-by-side a little bit so it makes it easier to grind these rock sliders. We're also going to use it to charge our batteries with this homemade power station for our cordless grinder here. But we're not done there. We're also going to use it with this work light, light up our workspace. All right, we got faith in our LiTime batteries. We're going to go ahead and power up everything all at once. First our light. First turn it on. Then our light. See if I can hold this camera. Try to keep the cords here straight so you can see what we're doing. Air compressor. And now our homemade power station. Alright, we got power on all three of these chargers. We've got power on one of our lights. Ooh, blinded me. Power on both of our lights. Still got power on our chargers. Let's turn the air compressor on. Still got light. Let's jack up the side by side. Seems to be working good so far. I'm impressed. LiTime.com. We'll shut that off so we can hear. Let's plug in our phone and charge that while we're at it too. Got a USB port here, as you can see. She's charging. So now we're charging our phone and the USB port. We're charging our batteries for the grinder. We're running our air compressor and both of our spotlights, which we're going to be using for camping. And it's all running off this LiTime 1000 watt inverter connected to our 12 volt LiTime Lithium 100 amp hour battery. Check them out, LiTime.com. And we got an affiliate link too, make sure you use that. Scotian Off-Road, SOR. I'll put the link on the screen here and in the description. Thank you to the support from LiTime, and thank you to the support from the viewers. Now let's get to work. These things are ugly. I'm no mechanic, but this shit looks easy. That's enough for a little demo. A little more to do yet. We got a bit of work to do. We'll see you in a minute. That's one battery down. Good to go. That thing is hard on batteries. All right, we done all the sanding we're gonna do. We couldn't get all the little nooks and crannies because we don't got the proper gear for that, but we're gonna say it's good enough. We'll hit her with some paint and maybe we'll get it better next time. Maybe we won't. Everything's still charging good over here. I got my GoPro batteries in here charging now. What do we need? Paint. Probably should have got rid of that dirt, but we're not that fussy. Hell yeah. We got her, boys. Looking all right. All right, let's get her off these jacks. So we got the rock sliders all painted up. Now we're gonna hit her with a little SC1. The old girl's faded. It's been about a year since I've used any of this. I get it dirty too often. It's not feasible for me to be cleaning it when I should be editing videos. Put this shit on just like I'm painting. I don't plan on buffing it in this time. I'm just gonna leave it. So try to put it on a little bit smooth so it don't make a bunch of runs. Oh, probably doing good on that new paint. It's probably not 100% dry yet. Looking a lot better. First time she's been shined up in a while. Happy anniversary. Forgot I found some tire foam laying around. All right, the machine turned out pretty good. First time I gave it that much love in like a year. So thanks to LiTime for the batteries. Look for us doing some camp out videos in the near future. Make sure to check out LiTime. Use the promo code SOR. Save yourself some money. Support those that support us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Check them out, Scotian Off-Road on YouTube.
They call me a god.